All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card, BlockFi credit card to get your rewards back in Bitcoin. All kinds of good stuff on cryptocurrency. Well, we all know that today being Sunday, that Tom Brady's been talking about getting into cryptocurrency all day long. That happens on Sundays and Mondays. He's pumping the cryptocurrency. Thank you so much. Today we're going to be talking about baby Bitcoin. Yeah, baby Bitcoin's in the news. Their father of the baby Bitcoin is Bitcoin. So baby Bitcoin has got a lot of popularity, a lot of things going on. We're going to go to the website, a lot of news going on baby Bitcoin. So let's go ahead. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our objective on the channel is to help everybody get to learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, being able to look at charts and stuff and maybe make an educated decision to buy the cryptocurrency. All that kind of good stuff here. Let's go ahead and head over to baby Bitcoin. Over here, coin market, baby Bitcoin is down about 43% in the last 7 days, and it's down about 5% in the last 24 hours. Let's go ahead and click this here real quick. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of those zeros, 7 zeros, then an 1807. 7 zeros and 1807 is down about 5%. So what is baby Bitcoin? Well, taking a look here at this chart here, it appears that it just fell off the table here. It was going good, going good, going good, and then wham, go off the cliff. It just dropped down there, but it is bouncing back up. So baby Bitcoin is down a little bit right this second. Baby Bitcoin aims to provide through transaction of tax system continuous benefits for project holders. The tax system retains 5% of the transactions, which corresponds to 3% that goes to liquidity and 2% that is distributed to the holders. The purpose of the project is to collaborate economics with a different global organization, the work of children's poverty in different areas. So it's going to help with children's poverty, with the different taxes. It's going to promote that. The identity of the token is a meme coin, taking the reference of the father of all coins. Jumping over here to the website, babybitcoin.finance. We got the Prince of Crypto. Did you miss the trip that our father Bitcoin took? You still have time to join the new journey and follow in the footsteps of the greatest coin of all time. So basically, Bitcoin's the greatest coin of all time, and the world of baby Bitcoin. That's right. We got baby Bitcoin right here in the on the rocket. The strength of community. Baby Bitcoin is not just another token. It's a community-based ecosystem and most important asset aiming at providing functionality and assets that are interesting, entertaining, and profitable. We work with various projects such as online radio, virtual casinos, and accept the BBTC online gaming, lotteries, NFTs, satellite tokens, which could drive the growth of BBTC, much, much more. Grow and help grow. So the project was born from an idea of generating the value beyond the crypto activity that we believe that one of the ways to bring real benefits to society, well, through the collaboration and association and change of managing the logistics of this work, we not only think that investors benefit, we also got the idea of this change. So there's a baby Bitcoin right there. Take a look at that. You know, a smart economy. Baby Bitcoin aims to provide through transaction tax system continuous benefits for the project holders. A 2% tax is charged in each transaction. This percentage is distributed to holders continuously. Soon on our satellite token system, we'll add liquidity and continuous investments in the BBTC to boost its growth. Take a look at the baby Bitcoin right there riding in the Lambo. Baby Bitcoin. The tokenomics of the coin, 57 were burned. Liquidity is 20%. Market and charity is 13%. Development and partners. A lot of good things going on here with the tokenomics. The roadmap, the birth of BBTC, develop of the first website, the birth of the community, pre-sale launch, and the Pancake Swap. Oh yeah, where do you buy this token? You guessed it, Pancake Swap. Up here at the top, we got NFTs we can get into. Baby Bitcoin NFTs. Develop the NFTs made by artists and the community. The purpose of this is to allocate funds to the actions. We got Baby Wolf, Baby Chucky. Take a look at Baby Chucky. Baby Chucky, look at Baby Chucky. You want to buy the Baby Chucky? You would just click it and you connect your wallet and you go ahead and you buy the Baby Chucky. Baby Casper, Baby Jason. Let's look at the baby pumpkin. Even the baby pumpkin here looks real cute here. Take a look at the preview. Oh, baby pumpkin. I like it. I like it. I like it a lot. Discover all the baby Bitcoin NFTs. Click here. Join the BBTC movement. Up here at the top, play and earn, the BBTC lottery. You connect your wallet right here. Are you ready? The next lottery has started. There's one winner. May the odds be with you. One ticket equals one opportunity. So you would connect your wallet right here, and you can play the lottery with the baby Bitcoin lottery. You click the casino over here. We got online casino BBTC promotions. So the casino's coming soon, so that's going to be real neat to be able to play that in the casino. Online games will be using the BBTC. It's coming soon. So very awesome there. And then, of course, we got the mini games. Are you ready to play? Coming soon. There's going to be mini games on baby Bitcoin. Back over here, Coin Market, baby Bitcoin. What wallets can you use? You can hold your baby Bitcoin by the MetaMask, Binance Chain Wallet. So either of these two you can do that with. Do me a favor in the comments and tell us what you think of baby Bitcoin. Did you get a little bit the last round? Are you thinking about getting some? PancakeSwap is where you can get it. There's like 7 zeros in between. They want to crush these things. Online gaming, NFTs, all kinds of good information on the baby Bitcoin. So give us what you think about that. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. So we know Tom Brady has been pumping it on Sunday and Monday. Today's Sunday and Monday about what he's getting into. And he's getting into cryptocurrency. And everybody who watches football is hearing about it every single Sunday. I happen to be a football fan. I watch it every single Sunday and Monday. That's how I know. I'm into cryptocurrency. And I'm watching Tom get on the table on the TV set. And he's talking about what he's getting into. No sense of stealing the thunder. Let's go ahead and head right over.
Talk to you about something?
Yeah, we talked about it. I got another 10 years left. Maybe 15.
Not that. This is big. What do you think? Are you in?
You know what? I'm in. Let's call everyone.
Hang on a minute. How dare you call this number? Okay, I'm in. Whatever.
Who's that?
That was my mom.
Hey, Donut, don't eat that.
Yo, what's up? Yeah, I'm in.
Yeah, sounds good. I'm in.
I'm in. Hey, Arthur, I quit.
I'm in.
T-Bone, is it the downstairs toilet again?
Hello, Tom. Dogecoin?
Sue, Mark.
Are you in? I'm in.
I'm in.
I'm in.
All right, this last one might be tough.
Nah, he loves you.
Probably just getting another dentist. This guy. First, even if you wanted to come back, we wouldn't take you.
Yes, you would.
Yeah, we would.
You're right, we would. What's up?
I'm getting into crypto. With FTX. You in?
What providing gives 360-degree access to the crypto markets with the ability to trade everything from alts to DeFi. I believe I'm in, but still hate you.
Understood.
Take care. Best of the family.
Is he in?
Yep,
Did he say he hates you?
he did.
Even on the phone, that guy sounds handsome.
So yeah, Tom Brady, he's getting into something. He's getting into cryptocurrency. Well, I don't know if you noticed, but about a week ago, he threw his 600 touchdown. And what happened is Mike Evans caught the touchdown, and then he threw it into the stands. And one of the fans got the football. And then they gave him season tickets and signed jerseys and all this other stuff. And he gave the ball back. Well, on Monday Night Football, Tom Brady was on the tube with Peyton Manning and Eli Manning. And he said that he's basically gifting the fan a Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin's around 60,000, so he's giving the fan a Bitcoin. So I don't know if this is the first time ever that we have people giving Bitcoins out to fans. It may be the first time, but Tom Brady and FTX is doing it. So let's go ahead and check out the article. So right here, Tom Brady says he gave a Buccaneers fan a Bitcoin to repay him for giving up a football from his 600th career TD pass. There's Tom. So Mr. Kennedy is now something of local legend in Tampa after the weekend. Tom Brady's 600 career pass. What happened was he said when he was celebrating with Mike Evans, Brady insisted on Monday Night Football with Peyton Manning and Eli Manning. He was chipping in by gifting Kennedy a Bitcoin. That's right, everybody. Right here, he lost the leverage once he gave the ball away. The value of a Bitcoin is about $63,000. So basically, he's getting $63,000 for giving the ball back. They did say that the football could be worth $900,000, but I think Tom Brady's going to keep it. So with that, give us your comments in the bottom. What do you think about Tom Brady gifting a Bitcoin to the fan that caught it? I think it's kind of cool. I hope he doesn't sell the football. They say the football could be worth $900,000, almost $1 million, and he gave him 60,000 one Bitcoin, but I hope he keeps it. Baby Bitcoin in the news, all kinds of things. Its father, Bitcoin itself. So the baby is going to go on a journey. If you do want to get it, you go to PancakeSwap to get it. So all kinds of good stuff going on. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Monday through Friday, we bring you a video every single day at 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Saturdays and Sundays, we bring you a video around 3 or 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Once in a while, we'll bring you a bonus video around 6 or 7 o'clock at night as an extra bonus if something pops real good. Our goal is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, so share this with your friends. Click right here to see our most recent video. Today being Sunday night, a little bonus video for you tonight, everybody. We'll see you back tomorrow at 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Have a great day, everybody.